The Titanic was more than just a ship. It was a floating world divided by class, shaped by courage, and forever changed by tragedy. Titanic Voices brings the voyage to life for young readers through first-hand accounts and narrative nonfiction. Every book in this 8-book series reveals a distinct perspective on life aboard the unsinkable ship and the unforgettable events that unfolded when disaster struck. A fast fact spread opens each book with key background information, as well as a diagram of the ship to help readers understand the world on board. A Think About It section encourages critical thinking, while a Legacies feature explains the aftermath and lasting historical impact. Every book also includes reader-friendly support features, including a phonetic glossary, source notes, an index, and sources for further information. Bring history to life with Titanic Voices, told through the real experiences of people who lived the unforgettable voyage. Discover this series from the child's world today.